Dear teachers and students, as we enter the month of December, we immediately think of Christmas. It is celebrated on the 25th of December, and for Christians, it is the most important day of the year, for we commemorate the birth of Jesus. God, our Creator, takes the form of His creation by being born in a manger. We are called to imitate our Master by being humble, simple, poor, and charitable in all our dealings with one another. It is a festival of joy and happiness. I wish you all the joy and peace of Christmas and a very happy New Year 2021. May we all keep well and happy throughout the year. This is an extraordinary year where we are going through a very difficult time. May God be the joy and solace of all those who suffer pains and anxiety during this COVID-19 pandemic. Let us help one another in whatever way we can to lighten the suffering of our people. May God bless us, and once again, a very happy Christmas to you and all your loved ones.
Wow, Santas had come. Welcome Santas to St. Mary's.
Welcome Santa. Please come, please come.
Welcome Santas, everybody.
Oh, there is a different Santa this time. Oh, we have a special Santa.
Welcome Santa.
A different Santa. But Santa, why do you look so sad? Santa says that there are no children. And Christmas without children, we cannot even imagine what has happened. Santa is recalling the days when we used to have grand celebration and children used to enjoy so much. Where are those days? Santa wants to say something. Santa wants to know, what does Christmas mean to us in this time of pandemic?
This time of pandemic, Christmas means care for the needy ones.
Love each other.
अपने दुश्मन से भी अपने समान प्रेम करें.
Treating those who are suffering with coronavirus with dignity and respect.
Looking for the new year for new hope.
अपने पड़ोसी से अपने समान प्रेम करें. Spread the word of the Lord. It means what we have to spread with others.
Be selfless and sacrificial.
Live with peace and harmony.
Good morning, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you, bye bye.
Christmas is not a time nor a season, but a state of mind. Cherish peace and goodwill to be plenteous in mercy. This is the real spirit of Christmas. At last, I want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.
I hope Christmas brings joy, peace and happiness in your life. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Christmas is the season of love, hope, caring and sharing. Santa Claus has nothing to do with Christmas. Christmas is not about Christmas tree. Christmas is not about toys. Christmas is not about new clothes or parties. So friends, Christmas is all about Jesus. Jesus was born for you and me. Ask Jesus to be your friend and give him a place in your heart.
Everyone is joyful, they're singing everywhere. Do you know the reason it's Christmas time again? The trees and stars, gift and cakes are filled just everywhere. But don't forget the reason that you I must share. It's Christmas, come join us in the song. It's Christmas, let's dance and get along. It's Christmas, come join us in the song. It's Christmas, let's dance and get along. The birth of Jesus is the most important thing. He came so we could all be forgiven of our sin. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Love each other with genuine affection and take delight in honoring each other. So, this Christmas, let us spread love and positivity in the environment. I, Deepshika Erickson from class 12th, wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Thank you.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We